Ever wondered why some habits stick while others fade away? The secret lies in reinforcement. By understanding how reinforcement shapes behavior, you can unlock the power to influence actions effectively. Reinforcement schedules are the backbone of behavior management. They can either strengthen or weaken behaviors, depending on how they're applied. Choosing the right schedule is crucial for achieving desired outcomes. Continuous reinforcement rewards every instance of a desired behavior. It's perfect for quickly establishing new habits. However, it can require a lot of time and attention, and may not be able to sustain behaviors long term. While continuous reinforcement is effective for initial learning, it can lead to dependency. Once the rewards stop, the behavior might diminish. Balancing it with other schedules is key. Intermittent reinforcement rewards behavior only some of the time. This approach is less predictable, making behaviors more resistant to extinction. It's ideal for maintaining habits over time. Extinction involves withholding reinforcement to reduce or eliminate a behavior. In other words, no reinforcement is provided for unwanted behaviors, essentially ignoring them until they fade away. It's a powerful tool for addressing unwanted actions, but it requires patience and consistency. Challenges may arise during the extinction process, such as temporary increases in unwanted behavior. By understanding these hurdles, you can effectively navigate and apply extinction strategies. In summary, reinforcement can create, maintain, or eliminate behaviors if used correctly and consistently. Ask your RBT or lead analyst for more guidance in implementing these new skills.